Kenya Kwanza e bwo winjruok mar broad-based mabende ne owegi gi Mausen Raila Odinga. Martin Onyango gi ler mathoth e wachni.
Dr. Oburu Oginga mane lose kar chung od bura mabondo ne wacho ni nosingo mar bedo jatend duond burano kendo medo ni nyaka koro gibedi achiel ka gikore ne sirkal. Omedo ni ODM biro dhi nyime gi tiyo sirkand broad-based kowacho ni mano e kama ne owegie gi Ogai mar duond burano mosenindo Migosi Odinga.
We were left in this broad-based arrangement by our late brother Raila Odinga. But as a party, we are working in this broad-based arrangement up to 2027, and we are strengthening our party and getting ready. So when we reach 2027, we shall have negotiated. If we go into a coalition, we shall have negotiated that coalition. But what I can assure you is that by 2027, our people and our party will be in a government.
Seneta Mavihiga kendo jalup jakom duond burano Godfrey Sosi ne okwayo jokanyo mag duond burano mondo lure gi chike matayo patino kendo gichiw thuolo ne Ogai kaachiel kod jagoro mar duond bura mar ODM ema mondo los ewi duond burano.
As a party, if we respect our own rules by allowing only the party leader and the Secretary General to speak for us, I think we'll make progress. And when we start the new year, we'll speak with one voice, Honorable Dr. Oburu, my party leader, and I want to guarantee you that we will support you 100%.
Jatend migao mar tego Pio Wandai bende ne ochiwo siem ne jogo matemo kwedo chike mag Oburu kowacho ni okenge duto mag patino biro goyo nyaka koro wuog mane dho Oburu en owuon. Bende ne odhiyo nyime kokwayo tend patino mondo chak timo twak e wi yo ma duond burano biro luwo chon kochakore dwe mar adek mar higa manyien.
Because I have seen of late attempts of undermining the authority of the party leader, which is not proper. On this matter of negotiations, coalition building, the ODM constitution vests that authority and mandate solely on the party leader. He is the one who is supposed to lead the party and its members in negotiations towards forming coalitions. And therefore, if we respect that, we shall have more tranquility and unity moving forward. And finally, this coalition building should happen earlier. We can't wait for 2027. It must be done earlier.
Ruth Odinga kata kamano ne wacho ni ODM nyaka koro winjre parachiel mar neno ni twak duto mag telo mibiro bagi obed mago mabiro ketogi e lai mar telo.
This is a party for the whole of Kenya. We have leaders from Turkana. So we need to sit down. Maybe there's somebody who wants to come from a island who is a member of ODM and who likes some position. We will have to all sit down on a table and agree. But as far as I'm concerned, ODM is going to go out as strong, and we are going to start working under the leadership of the party leader. We are going to go out as a party together and see that ODM gets strong enough to go on a negotiation table if it is that. Or if we can't agree on the negotiation table, we find our own.
Jotelego duto ne okwayo kwe duond burano motelo ni chenro mag duto mabiro nyime. Ne Radio Ramogi, an Martin Onyango.